back. My name is Rotem Cohen. I'm the Israeli emissary at the J.
I'm Andrea Wolfe. I'm the J's Family Engagement Program Coordinator. And this is my son, Caleb. Caleb, how old are you? 3. He's almost 4. He'll be 4 in January.
And we're glad to have you back cooking with us. Now we're gonna do something nice for Hanukkah today. Today
we're gonna make the traditional latke to begin with, but we're gonna do a little latkes with a twist.
So first we're gonna just talk a little bit about how to make the basic ones. You will need...
You'll start with 2 potatoes, 1 onion, and 2 eggs. You wanna shred the potatoes, you wanna peel them and shred them. We've done that already for you. And you wanna dice the onion.
Okay, so we're gonna mix it all together and let's go for it.
Let's get started.
Hi folks, Rabbi Gelman here, Director of the CJLL at the J, to talk to you quickly about why we play Dreidel on Hanukkah. The Syrian Greeks made a rule that the Jews could not gather to study Torah, but that Torah study was too important to them. So they came up with this ruse that they would gather anyway and talk about Torah. And if a soldier would come, they would quickly take out their tops and maybe some coins and trick the enemy soldiers into thinking that they were playing a game. And then the soldiers would go on their way and the Jews could continue studying Torah. So we play Dreidel on Hanukkah to commemorate that heroism and to reclaim the importance of studying Torah in our life. And by the way, if you're wondering, I got a shin, which means I have to ante up, the worst possible outcome.
Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and fry it. All you have to do is take a handful each time, kind of squeeze the liquids out, and put it in a pan. So, let's go.
Yeehaw! Howdy, welcome back. Now that you have your latkes, we're gonna dress them up Texas style.
We're gonna make some latke nachos. You can put any topping that you like on your nachos. We have some guacamole, cheese, beans, and you can also add spicy if that's what you love. You're gonna stack your nachos all together and just add your favorites.
Caleb, you wanna help me? All right, let's put this on. Give me your hand. Ready? There you go. Just put them all over. Very nice. Make it real cheesy. All right, can you show everyone the latkes that you made? Your latke nachos. You like it? Yeah, is that delicious? Do you want to make a dessert latke now?
Yes.
Hey, Rabbi Gelman here, Director of the CJLL, the Center of Jewish Living and Learning here at the J. And I'm here to talk to you about some of the wonderful customs we have as far as what we eat on Hanukkah. So let's start with fried foods. Many of us know that we eat latkes or fried donuts on Hanukkah, and the reason we do that is to commemorate the miracle of the oil. Some of us may know that when the Jews were able to take back the Beit HaMikdash, the temple in Jerusalem, they wanted to relight the menorah, and there was only enough oil for one day. And there was a miracle, and that oil lasted for 8 days. So to commemorate that miracle, and as a way to express our thanksgiving to God, we eat fried food. So we see that even delicious foods can have a religious purpose. A little less known is the reason why we eat dairy foods on Hanukkah. And you saw that Rotem and Andrea made some dairy toppings for the latkes. The reason we eat dairy foods is because there's a woman, a hero of the Hanukkah story. Her name is Yehudit. She was the daughter of the high priest, the Kohen Gadol, Yochanan, and she was also the brother of Matityahu, the military hero of our story. Anyway, the story goes that Yehudit was really upset about the way the Jews were being treated and the persecution, and she decided to take matters into her own hands. So get this, she endeared herself to the general and was able to enter his tent, and she fed him some salty cheese. And of course he was thirsty, and so he quenched his thirst with some wine. The wine made him sleepy, he fell into a slumber, and while he was sleeping, she took a peg and drove it through his head, killing him. And when all of his soldiers realized that their leader was dead, they fled, and that saved the day. So to commemorate her act of heroism, we eat dairy foods also on Hanukkah.
Caleb, what is your favorite fruit?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Well, that's a good thing because we're going to now show you how to make pomegranate top latkes. We did our savory and now it's time for our sweet version. So we have some Greek yogurt and we're just going to top the latkes with a little bit of Greek yogurt. And I'm going to let Caleb do the pomegranates because I know he's been waiting very patiently for those.
You can use pomegranate or any other fruit you like to make this your favorite.
All right, Caleb, can you put some pomegranates on each latke? Very nice. All right, let's show everybody our pomegranate latkes. Can you look at the camera and say Happy Hanukkah?